February 1st, 2026. The topic today, I had this puzzling moment. Maybe I've thought of this before, but I have this question. Do we ever sneeze in our sleep? I think we probably don't. That's my inclination. I haven't looked this up online. But it kind of leads me into other questions about what other things we might not do in our sleep. I mean, I guess would sleep paralysis, the thing that our body kind of normally does when we go to sleep, would it also stifle sneezing? I mean, like, if you were to put pepper in somebody's nose while they're sleeping, would they sneeze? Would it wake them up? Do we sneeze in our sleep and we don't wake up? I know this doesn't matter, but I don't know. The thought had crossed my mind today. I think there must be other things we don't do when we sleep. And I mean, maybe it's just a matter of those things. It's like a matter of safety. Like maybe there are certain things that we might be inclined to do that could create problems in some way. I don't know. Can't think of an example right now. But it makes me kind of wonder if this sort of thing, like I know sleep paralysis exists, but if there is a way to kind of tap into this in waking life. Like if we don't sneeze when we're sleeping, for instance, and we wanted to avoid sneezing when we were awake for whatever random reason, like say maybe you're a surgeon and you just have to, well, as surgeons, I'm sure this is sort of an obvious thing. You don't want to sneeze while you're performing surgery on a person. But imagine there is such a person that really wants to go into surgery, but they have a condition where they sneeze frequently. So is there a way, is there a thing we can do? Is there a thing that exists already that enables us to suppress sneezing? Something that sort of activates what we naturally do when we're sleeping? Anyway, there seems like there could be many benefits from such a thing, but I have no idea if it exists, nor would it need to exist. I just had the thought on my mind. Anyway, that is my thought of the day. There is no call to action, I guess. If there are, what else might be? I don't know. Can you think of other things that might be interesting to be aware it gets suppressed while we sleep? That's my thought. The day went pretty good. I actually slept in. That's kind of rare for me. I went to sleep so late. I mean, it would make sense that I would sleep in, but even when I go to sleep late, I often don't sleep in anyway. I still wake up at 8-ish or 9 at the latest. But today I think I woke up at like almost 10. So that was cool. I got cracking on my app stuff. I really was gotten tied up in my fixing my beta build before I really get to distribute it among a larger number of people. Today was a really nice weather. It was in the low 50s. I was actually able to walk without putting my hoodie on. I did wear my beanie for a good portion of the walk. Yeah, but it was nice out, very cool. It was almost like a spring day. Um, at dinner, I had dinner with Elisa's crew. She invited some friends over. Turns out the husband of the family that they invited was a developer, and he suggested I check out the Claude Code, which is what my buddy Tom up in Washington suggested in text a few days ago. Now, having heard it 2 times, that I took the encouragement, and after dinner gave it a shot, and wow, it's way more powerful than I was expecting. I burned through all the credits pretty fast, so I kind of have to meter myself a little bit, but it's incredible. So I'll use that and the ChatGPT moving forward to really get some things done. So I'm pretty excited about that. And that's basically all I did for the rest of the evening. Beta is ready to go. So I uploaded it. I'll be sending out emails this week. I do need to set the Android version up next, now that I have the good, clean version. So that is the plan. I think I'm waiting on, and maybe it's happened already, but I'm waiting on the approval process for the Android store. I guess it's called a Google Play Store developer account, before I can start sending those out. I set it up yesterday, and it said 24 to 48 hours for approval. So could have happened today, I guess, but we'll find out tomorrow probably, and then start sending them out on Android as well. So that's the plan. That is the recap of the day. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take it easy.